rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Ayy, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all out when they know the truth. Ayy, I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. 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 Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause.
Para mas maganda na wala itong tali. Kasi ano siya, mas cute siya na walang tali, guys. Kasi ang style nito, kaftan. So, kung titingnan ninyo, square lang siya, guys. Square lang siya. Titingnan ninyo. Square lang na tela at manipis itong telang to. So, kahit ganitong suit mo sa summer, sobrang presko sa katawan at cool siya and classy. Hindi naman kailangan na maglabas ka ng ano para lang makita na fashionista. Kasi kahit ganito yung suit mo, idaan mo sa fashion pa rin kasi marami din gumagamit ng ganitong style and tawag dito classy and ayan and cool. Sa loob maglalagay ka ng spaghetti na ano sa loob para mas ano kasi parang hubad ako sa loob, talagang nararamdaman ko pero maganda siya guys. Ayan. And titingnan nyo, square siya. So, both neck ang style. Ayan siya, guys. And diretso siya, guys. Ayan, diretso lang siya. Then, nilagyan ko dito ng butas para sa ano sana. Para dun sa panali. Pero mas prefer ko na ganito. Then, pinahikod lang dyan. Mabilis lang gawin to guys. And ito kasi yung naisip kong design sa ganitong tela. Sobrang light siya. So, ayun. Cotton siya and then light. So, ito yung nakita kong style na pwede. So, depende rin kasi sa tela. Doon ko binabase din sa kung ano yung tela na gagamitin ko. So, yun yung naisip ko. And then, lagi kong inaanuhan ng pants, maong pants kasi yan yung nakikita ko sa ano talaga guys, yan ang nakikita ko dun sa Pinterest, yan kasi. So yan, and then slipper, hindi pwede dito, pwede siguro rubber shoes na flat na ano na pwede rin yung ano lang siya, low cut lang siya. Pero dahil summer, so maganda siya. Ayan guys, I hope na masusundan nyo itong ginawa kong to. And kung feel nyo, kung like nyo itong ginawa ko, itong dress na to, kakaiba, siguro isipin nyo, bakit si Jad puro kakaiba yung masuot o puro pang ano, hindi siya sexy. Well, pwede rin naman akong gumawa ng sexy, pero para sa akin kasi hindi pwede. Kasi alam nyo na, ibabagay din natin sa ating edad. hindi na nagmumurang kamatis. So, yan guys, pinipili ko yung isusot ko, yung alam kong komportable ako at hindi ako kasi dito nasanay na kasi ako dito sa work ko na talagang bawal ang magsuot ng sexy, bawal magsuot ng yung sleeveless, bawal naka-short. So 7 years na ganun, so kaya nasanay na lang din ako. So yan. And classy naman. So, nasa style pa rin yan ng pananamit. So, yung mga ganitong style, kung makikita nyo sa mga online na nakikita natin sa Facebook, ganito yung mga style ng mga dress na nakikita. Yung mga kakaibang, minsan iba, may mga design na gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganon, yung kakaiba, yung parang weird. Pero pwede rin akong gumawa ng mga panglitaw pusod na damit, pang ganyan, yung makikita yung halos kita na yung cleavage. Kaya ko rin yun gawin kasi gumagawa rin ako ng mga gowns na sexy. Halos lahat nga ng mga gowns na ginagawa ko is puro sexy. So, kumpara dun sa mga sexy, sa akin din naman ako sexy and siksik. So, kung para sa akin, yung komportable ako na madadala naman, may dating naman. So, yun guys! I hope na nagustuhan nyo itong video ko na to. I hope na nagustuhan nyo ulit itong creation ko na to. And kung bago lang po kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated po kayong lagi sa lahat ng mga videos pa ni-upload ko, like sewing tutorial, makeup tutorial, and marami pang iba. So, God bless everyone! Bye!